Hello students, good evening to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a very important MCQ from class 11. Let me share my whiteboard with you and let me put up the question for you. Students, the question is, air bladder helps in respiration is present in. Options are cartilaginous fishes, then urochordates, C, lung fishes, and D, jawless fishes. This is a question for today's students. Air bladder helps in respiration in fishes. In which fish is it present? Options I repeat. Option A, cartilaginous fishes. B, urochordates. C, lung fishes. D, jawless fishes. Before we see each and every option and find out which is the correct answer, let us understand first of all, what do you mean by air bladder? Air bladder is also called as swim bladder. It's a specialized organ that is filled with air that helps to ensure that fish is neither sinking nor floats too much by regulating a stable buoyancy in water. Let me write the definition. It is a specialized organ that is filled with air that helps to ensure that fish neither sinks nor floats too much by regulating a stable buoyancy, B-U-O, sorry students, B-U-O-Y-A-N-C-Y, buoyancy in water. All fishes have swim bladder. Swim bladders is also known as air bladder, as I discussed with you, gas bladder, as well as it is also known as fish maw. Here students, air bladders help fishes swimming without having to waste energy by allowing them to remain at the current water depth. The swim bladder also functions as a resonating chamber that produces or receives sounds. Air bladders are present in fishes that have a skeletal structure such as bones, that is bony fish, a skeletal structure made out of bones. Swim bladders are predominantly, as I said, present in bony fishes. Now, let us discuss the options. The option first one was given as cartilaginous fish. Cartilaginous fishes, they have 5 or more gill slits that open directly into water. They rely on something called ram ventilation to push water through the gills. These are the fish that need to swim to breathe because the forward movement is what pushes water through the gills. Hence, according to this question, option A is wrong. Let us see option D, urochordates. Option B is urochordates. Here, urochordates, example tunicates, take in water through an in-current siphon and expel the filtered water through an X-current siphon. Lancelet, they have no respiratory system and they breathe through their skin. They have two siphons through which water enters and exits the branchial basket. Hence, this option is also wrong for our question. Let us see the third option. What is the third option? Lungfishes is our third option. Lungfishes are found predominantly in Africa and South America. They are able to survive when the pools dry up by burrowing themselves into the mud, sealing themselves into the mucus-lined burrow. Mucus-lined burrow. During this time, they breathe air through their swim bladders or air bladders instead of through their gills and reduce their metabolic rate dramatically. Hence, the option C, lungfishes, is the correct answer for our question. But then also let us check out our last option, jawless fishes. Here, students, jawless fishes, there are two common ways to take in water. They need to breathe. They have a specialized breathing tube called as nasopharyngeal duct. Nasopharyngeal duct, which leads to the gill pouches. Hagfish can also take in oxygen through the skin when buried in mud. Hence, the correct option is option C, that is lung fishes have air bladder for respiration. Hope I've solved this question for you. Thank you.